Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So are you tired of trying to spend a lot of money for doing marketing for your cleaning business? Well, if the answer is yes, in this video, I'm going to give you 7 things you can do. 7 where it's pretty much free, may take you a little bit of time, but it is going to be really, really good, and things that I would do right now if I had to market my cleaning business. Ready? Let's go. The first thing is you can belong to FAN. That's Facebook Advertising Network. Now, FAN includes a lot of different advertisings that are mobile with apps, and one of those is Nextdoor. Nextdoor is one of those that you can use under FAN that's really great for recommending neighborhood businesses. It's all about local businesses, and that's a great 2-in-1. Joining FAN is going to find different types of networks when it comes to not just only Nextdoor, but Nextdoor is one of the ones that has gotten great recommendations. The third thing you can do is search engine optimization. SEO is paramount. Just simply go to your website, look at the keywords. The most highly used keywords are commercial cleaning. And the number one place people are finding cleaning companies are simply going to Google cleaning companies in my area. Check it out, see where you are, and do something about it. Make sure that you start finding out what keywords you need to put in. Just Google that and make sure that you're putting them in naturally in your social posts with hashtags and in your website. Number 4 is good old-fashioned flyers. That's right. If you've watched some of the other videos, I talked about a golden ticket, which just simply talks about ways to get their attention, what you're going to offer, what you're going to do differently. And this golden ticket can be used in emails, but you can definitely use it on flyers and put it on golden paper, put it on yellow paper when you're out passing the flyers. Now, the flyers can be put on doors. You can make a simple Google list where you put it all together, you know the addresses, use it. So that's number 5. Let's see. Number 6 is your email marketing, your signature. Not email marketing, but email marketing your signature. Whenever you send something out, make sure that you put your email information on there. Make sure you put your contact information. What's your title? Make it professional. You'd be surprised how many people may want to get back in touch with you, but maybe they don't know your information, or they get busy and they just want to be able to have it in one place. Put your information, your title, your phone number, your website. All of this should be in your email signature. And the last thing, and my favorite, is all about reviews and all about referrals. If you can take the time to find one really great referral source that is not in competition, but a compliment with you, like carpets or people that install cabinetry in office buildings. Find some type of referral business, some type of business that goes into a lot of office buildings. Or if you're looking to do daycares, think of what goes into daycares. What do they need in a daycare? Or if you're looking at doing warehouses, whatever you're looking at doing, spend a little bit of time to look at what it is that they need. Once you've figured out what they need, have your introduction ready, your elevator pitch, whichever those you want to use, introduction letter you're sending, elevator pitch you're saying, and then you want to call them up with either one. And this is where you want to either send them the introduction letter, or if you want some instant, then you want to go ahead and call them. And you want to just ask them, can you guys partner? You'd be surprised how building strategic partnerships help out so much. So in our industry, we don't do that as much. We just don't build as many strategic partnerships, which I did. And it helped me so much because I was with the moving company. I made hundreds of thousands of dollars when I got with a professional office moving company. Now, there may not be as many moves in your downtown area as there are in the Washington, D.C. area. So I get it. But there's something going on in your area that you could partner whether it be someone that's installing carpet. That's a great one. Someone that's installing floors, a office design place. All of these are going to get you in front of a referral base. And if you make it in front of a referral base and they like you and they trust you and get to know you, you will have so much business you won't know what to do. I'm serious. We were just inundated with so much business because we had partnered with a couple, pest control. We partnered with the people that were actually doing the moves, which I mentioned before. So just take your time, look at these 7. They're all free when it comes to money, but they're not free when it comes to time. You know you have to give up something to get something. So figure out what is the cost by not doing this. And if you want to know more, then make sure you sign up for our free workshop where we go over this in detail. Click the link in the description. We have our commercial on Thursdays and our government on Wednesdays. And you can also make sure you visit us on our Facebook group where we do so many other things when it comes to marketing and all of that. So any of those areas are a great place to start. And I look forward to seeing you again on the next video. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.